I'm good. Where are you from?
Yes, I'm from Bangladesh.
Okay. How long have been using this app?
Yeah, it's been almost 1 week that I'm using this application. Yeah, how about you?
Yeah, it's today join this app.
Oh,
Yeah,
you are a newcomer. You are a newcomer,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
Yeah. What is the reason you are using this app?
Because this month I given the 2 and 3 interview already, but first round interview is mostly rejected, only for the learn English region. To this region to the I install this app, and this app using the before and using the peer up app. Do you know in the peer up
Yeah,
app? Right now in the famous in India,
yeah,
in
peer
the
app.
yeah.
If I prefer, I can also speak with, AI, right?
Yeah, it's that app given the facility in the Maya AI partner and talking to the stranger in the voice call only 10
Oh,
time.
yeah.
Yeah,
What do you call not like this, right?
yeah,
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm not quite get comfort. Using that app. That is the reason that I'm using these apps. Yeah, I'm here to influence. To improve my fluency. Yeah,
okay. So we are listen
yeah.
about this app.
So yeah, one of my friend as I'm also the situation also face as like issue. Yeah, sometimes when I go to go to give for sit for any interviews, I mostly rejected just because of my fluency. That is the reason one of my friend even though you are a hard worker, but you have to boost your English somehow, and he recommend me to use this app so that I can communicate with the friends of around the world like you, and also to boost my fluency. That is the reason. Yeah.
Okay. Are you college student?
Yes, I'm a college
Okay.
student.
We,
Pursuing my undergraduate.
okay.
Yeah,
What's
and
your
how
future?
about you?
Yeah, I have complete my graduation and right now searching a job in IT sector.
No, good.
And in the IT sector the must be need in the learning English and more fluent and mostly for talking to the foreigner client sometimes. To this region
Yes,
to the needed.
it require much. It require very fluency. You have to speak in
Yeah,
fluency, right? To as you will be communicate with the foreigner and the client of foreigner, right?
yeah,
Yeah, good. So I wish you the best and practice well. Some one day you will be able to speak fluently if you work hard,
yeah.
right?
How was
Yeah.
your experience using this app?
Yeah, it's quite good. Yeah, sometimes before using this app, I feel too shy. I feel too shy. I speak with you. With friends, and
Yes,
also
same
I could. Yeah,
same problem I face.
okay.
Okay, bye
Yeah,
bye.
yeah. Gradually, everything will be okay. Just keep practicing every day on this time so
Yeah.
that you can follow influencing. Okay, bye bye. Have a